What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing Jailbreak with Black Rose. So right now my computer is loading. Yes.
Hi, this is Black Rose, and today I'm going to be playing the Silver Rose, and so, yeah, he's loading onto the game, and I have a Glock, like 17, and I will break him out.
Okay, so right now he just
Okay,
did his intro, so I'm going to meet up with him.
And I just got a proper intro,
Oh my gosh,
for my editing. Okay, come on, Silver Rose, you're still lagging.
I know. You can see me if I lag.
Can you run? Press shift. Okay.
I'm going to restart my character.
What?
I'm going to restart my character.
Reset. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna break out. I don't know much about Silver Rose, but you know, if you just want to break out.
Okay, here, restart my character. Okay, I am back.
I did get a trick from a video I was watching. So if you like do this or something from right here, you can actually remove the escape route from here. It must have been too easy because yeah, it kind of easy.
So
you need a key card to get out of that one. I don't know. Hopefully, cop just comes moseying on, and then you know you can, I can pounce with my Glock.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm going into the sewers, because no cop wants to come down here, even though the water is perfectly clear for some reason, even though it's the sewers. Okay, here's another person.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, my gun's like walking around.
Oh, sorry, lagging, not
Okay. Okay. I need to put away the block. So I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna go get my Lamborghini at the criminal base, and then we're gonna. Okay. Also need a gun. Well, you know, other than my trusty Glock.
Finally, the lag has stopped.
What happened?
My lag has stopped. It's not so.
Yeah. Trey. Silver Rose's computer is
slow.
Yeah, it isn't the gaming computer that mine is.
Which is just new.
Oh, I can rob the what is it?
Oh my God.
The donut shop, and I also can get a free donut. Hi, sir. I would really like a donut. Sorry, we don't have it. Look, looks like I'm gonna take our money. You don't have any money? You don't have any money? I want to shoot your head off. Anyway, back to the original mission is to get the Lamborghini, but I'm gonna get another faster way, which is called the Mini Cooper.
Sorry, guys, this thing is just lagging too much.
Okay, Mini Cooper spawn. Okay, there.
Speed it up. Speed it up. I'm not gonna skip the gun.
Okay, yeah. My computer is laggy, but not near as laggy as Trey's. I mean, Silver. I'm gonna I never actually seen. Oh wow, this looks weird. Oh, okay. This looks.
Hop out.
This is really weird. Okay, anyway, we're going to the
gun.
Home base. So Rose, what's your status?
I'm getting a gun.
Where?
Shoot.
Why did I jump out? You know, I can just like. They have some good brakes. Probably because it's a civilian car. Those civilians don't know what they're doing when they are.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. I got a shotgun, and AK, and the Glock. So perfect combinations. So Rose, where are you? Are you at the gun shop?
Hold on. See here.
I'm an Uber. Cost $1 million.
Well, guys, here's exactly what happened. I had to get off. My thing was lagging too much, so I restarted myself. Back to prison, which will not
Okay,
take
I'm
long
already
to
at
take out.
7 minutes. Sure, I think we should redo this whole video because this thing. Uh, Hi, this is Black Rose. Today I'm gonna be with Silver Rose and on jailbreak. I'm in my Lamborghini. I did not mean to press that. I have $24,000.
So guys, right now, let's go ahead and get
That was
started
a
doing his
horrible.
intro.
That was
So,
lousy.
because he didn't want to get like the video that he did. So,
That was lousy.
oh my
That was like
gosh,
the lousiest. Okay, where are you? Are you in the prison? Are you in the
I'm
prison?
in the sewer.
You're in the sewer? You're in the sewer? Well, guess what? I'm gonna pick you up. Is that you? Is that you? Someone needs to be picked up. I just dropped them off. Like,
I
very.
escaped. Yeah. So,
Okay.
you might be getting microphones
And an editor.
soon,
And I
and
actually,
an editor
yeah.
soon.
And
So you'll have better quality videos.
I actually did get an intro, so. Yippee.
Yeah, I'm gonna create my intro. Life at you in the.
Yeah, I'm normal.
You know, I'll catch up to you. Actually, never mind.
Trey, Lamborghini is faster than most cars.
But I drive better now.
No, I don't.
Yeah. Now, at least now.
It's guns.
Just go to the No, don't even go stop here.
So just get the guns. What guns do you even have?
None right now.
See,
I was gonna take us to prisoner base, but
okay, but you don't always need semi-automatic weapons. Sometimes you just need an automatic weapon. Okay, it doesn't take this long to get an AK. What are you buying it? That's not good for me. Okay, come on.
you locked it.
Come on.
There, yeah. Like, why would you lock it?
Come on, civilian. How much is this
Wow.
car?
I'm to a tree.
How much is come on.
Oh, what the
Only $50,000. What is this? Is this a Mustang? Oh, it's a Mustang. Well, that's on my wish list. I'm gonna buy that pretty soon. Pretty cheap too.
Let's check enough for it.
I'm gonna save. I mean, you know, I have most of the cars in the jailbreak. Okay, I hate. That was a late drift.
Yeah, I would have drifted away sooner.
Sorry, you're just covering that up because you're not a detail. Okay.
I'm gonna try.
Okay, so have to don't. Sorry. You jump out prematurely.
Yes,
Change out your jump. Do I have my jump on? No. Okay. Come on.
Yeah.
Get in.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna get my own car.
Trey, come on. You can't afford it. Come on, Trey. This is an expensive material. Trey, come on. Okay. Well, we're ditching that guy. Drift! I just drifted into a tree. But it worked.
Oh my gosh.
What, you got arrested?
No, people are just running here like maniacs.
Well, yeah, that's what they're supposed to do. Running places.
Well, I'm
not paying attention. I'm talking to you.
So I'm going to go get my black car with money rims.
Wait, a black, Trey? You're Silver Rose, not Black Rose, Trey.
I know. I just got a black car.
Oh my gosh. Can you joined a bank robbery. No, I did not. No, I did not. I did not join a bank robbery.
In the garage. What are you doing passing that guy?
I don't know. I'm not even here.
You got black money rims.
Trey, you're Silver Rose, not Black Rose.
Not black rims. I mean silver rims with money signs. Or more.
Trey, what's your body color?
Black.
Trey.
I wanted to like make it like Like,
oh, that was.
oh, it's slackish.
Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna have to.
This is lacking too much. Wow.
Settings. Turn this off.
Hold on. Oh, no thing. Yeah.
Okay.
You see how slow this is going?
Okay, I'm gonna be waiting for the jewelry store to open. So hopefully it opens.
Wow.
Oh, I just cracked my knuckles so hard.
What isn't it? Let me. Okay. Since my car is lagging so much, I'm gonna.
I made it into the jewelry store! Oh my goodness! We're almost dead!
I'm gonna end my video. So
Already?
Yeah, my car is lagging too much. It's like 10
Just
minutes.
because of your car?
No, it's 10 minutes on my video right now.
Are you kidding me? How dare you?
So
say that?
this is my today's video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And there will be a part 2 of this. So see you next time.